A very good morning, my dear students. So we are doing data handling, and again we'll be doing the same exercise 3.3, and today I'll start with question number 4. All right. Now in question number 4 we have to use subdivided bar graph. But before that, let me read the question. The question is there are two exams, the first term and the second term. I've already written the marks here. You can see the book. The first part, in which subject has the child improved his performance the most? In which subject? Now, if we look at the marks, like 67, 70, 72 said, so we have to find out in which subject he has improved the most. So, if you subtract 67 minus 70, we will get. I mean to say that 70 minus 67, if we subtract, we will get 3. And if we subtract 65, 72, we will get, let me write it here, 3, here we will get minus 7, here we will get 7, then we will get 4, then we will get 2. Now see here, once again, when we subtracted the second term test from the first term, here we are getting 3, go this way, go in the opposite way, 70 minus 67, 65 minus 72, 95 minus 98, 85 minus 81, 75 minus 73. So we are getting this, 70 minus 67 is 3, 65 minus 72 is minus 7, like that. Okay, now if you see here, we are finding this is the highest. This is the highest. So we can say that. So we can say that the improvement in maths is more. The improvement in maths is more because here the marks has increased. Here the marks has increased by 7, but here the marks is reduced. Here the also marks is increased. Here the also marks is increased, but here the marks is increased more than the other subjects. Okay, so we will say this. Okay, now after this, the second part. Please see this once again. In which subject, so let me write this, the first part is maths. Now second is, as the difference is more, as the differences is more. Now the second part, in which subject is the improvement least? In which subject? So that answer will be yes. The answer will be the social science. You can easily find out in which subject the improvement is least. So here the improvement is least. The answer will be social science. Now third one. Has the performance gone down in any subject? Answer is yes. Has the performance gone down in any subject? The answer is yes. The performance in Hindi has gone down. The performance in Hindi has gone down. Clear? The performance in Hindi has gone down because see, it is coming negative. The others, there is some bit of increment is there, but Hindi it is minus 7, so it has gone down. So third part answer will be Hindi. Second part answer was social science, and third part answer was Hindi. Okay. Now, this is what we did. Now, I have drawn this line. I have drawn this graph here. Let us make the subdivided graph, and after making the subdivided graph, I will end the class. Clear? Now, there are subjects are there: English, then Hindi, then maths. I am doing only for the 3 subjects. The rest you try to do. Now in English the first term is 67. The first term is 67. So this is here 67. The second is 70. The 70 is here. So I will write this. So this is called subdivided graph. Subdivided. If you want, you can shade it. The next one is Hindi. Hindi is 72 and then second is 65. So Hindi 72 means it will be slightly up here. And down is 65. 65. After that you have maths. Maths is 95 then 88. 95 will come somewhere here. This is not possible right now. I cannot make it, but in the graph copy do it like this. Okay, it is, I'm finding it difficult to make it here, but I hope you have understood. You make the graph, when you make the bar, you make it like this, then another one will be like this. Okay, so one will be the first term and this is will be the second term. First term, then second term, then shade it like this. Okay, so go through it, go through the video nicely and just see whether you have understood or not. If you have not understood, please let me know. I'll take this class once again. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.